Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gaurav Graphics. In this video, we are going to create a movie poster and our text is all about cares. So we can involve some kind of couples image in this poster. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first we have to open our Photoshop, and guys, you can see that I have already made this. So in the next step of this video, we will understand how was I make this. So without any further delay, let's get started. First we have to create a artboard. So and you can see that our artboard size is A4 size paper. So just you have to click here create, and I have already created this. So for making the background of, I had selected a texture for it. So here is my texture, this is my texture, and you can download this texture in the description link if you want to make the same. So and in this texture I had created some effect. So this is label effect, and if you want to create that effect, then first you have to select that layer, and after that you have to go image and adjustment. Now you can see that here is the option of labels, so you can adjust the labels from here. Okay, then after that I use a image. So this is our image. How I crop this and how I make this black and white, I want to tell you step by step. So first we have to take our image. So here is the image. Now I am putting this image in our Photoshop. So this is our image. Now unlock that layer and select here quick selection tool. Now make the selection of that image. So this is our selection. Now our selection is complete. So just here is some issue, so we can adjust it. So now it is completed. Now go to select and mask option. Now make these hairs more smoother. And adjust all the details. Now it is completed. Now select from here new layer with layer mask and just hit OK. So our background was removed. Now put that layer in our original artboard. So I had already made this, so there is no need. How I make this black and white, so you have to just select that layer. Now go to image adjustment and black and white. You can just click here and you will get this kind of effect in your real image. Okay, then now it is looking quite good, and our text is all about cares. So this is our text, and I am using regular version of Resolve font. So you can download this font in the description link. And guys, I use some kind of flair in this image, in this poster. So if you want to download that flair, then you have to just search here optical flair png. Now you can see that these are the flares which I had used in our image. So I'm using this flare. If you want to download this, so you can download it, or if you want to download this flare in the description link, so you can download from where. So I'm just showing you, this is my flare, and you can use anywhere. If you want to use here, then you can use. So so this flare is looking quite good here, so I am using here. And now we have to change the blending option of that flare. So I'm using here lighten version, so you can adjust it according to our need and make the copy of it. So I had already done this, so you can see that I'm using this, I'm using the second flare here. If you want to use here, then you can, otherwise you can adjust here. Okay, then and do you know, this is our movie poster, so we need some kind of credit. So this is our credit, and if you want to download credit, then you have to just search here credit png. You will get lots of images of credit, so you can download and use these. So this is our movie poster. So I think it is looking quite good. And our last option is color lookups. So you can see that it is looking quite good, and color lookups is working like a presets of image. So after applying color lookups, it will be quite good. So if you want to use that color lookups, so you have to select the upper layer of your work, and now go to this option, and from here you can see that color lookups option, so you can adjust it according to our need. I have already done this, so I'm just removing it. And you can adjust these LUTs according to our need. So I am showing you. These are the filters of our image. So see guys, and this filter is also looking quite good, and there are so many filters for our image. This is this one also. So guys, you can adjust these filters according to your creativity. So I'm using that filter. So our poster design is completed. Hope you like this video. If you really like this, then give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.